Good evening, folks. Al Q weather here on Tuesday, October 13th, 2020 at 7:45 Eastern Standard Time. What you're seeing on the GFS GIF that I made, not a gift, well, maybe a gift for some. We have much needed rain coming in Friday, later afternoon through Saturday morning. I should say mid-afternoon, and it clears out by the mid-afternoon on Saturday, and colder air comes in behind it. So that is the first of the rainmakers that will be coming through our area in the next week. The next one will be late Monday night, early Tuesday AM into it's looking like Wednesday, late afternoon, early evening. Let's go over here to our weather bell map of the GFS. Anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches into central Long Island. Let's take a look at the temperatures behind. We have 30s into Western Jersey and 40s in the New York City area. Here's a close-up. You got the upper 40s and 30s into this region right over here in northern central Jersey. This is what we're looking at with the Arctic blocking over this whole region in red, this trough in central Canada with bouts of low pressure that will spin around the base into the northeast. This will keep us wet and unsettled for the next couple of weeks as we close out October. I thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, share this with like-minded people, and have a great night.